It's a little bit of a gloomy day today, but I hope to bring a little bit of joy by showing you guys one of our one-bedroom apartments we have available. This is our Jasmine one-bed, one-bath apartment style here. Going into the apartment, you have a very nice large living room style. This is our classic, so it comes with the crane style countertops, cabinets, and appliances. Off of the living room, you do get a nice sized patio. Brings in a lot of natural light into the apartment. And then going around, you do have a coat closet. Nice big deep fridge. Plenty of space inside the cabinets. And through this door, you have your full-size washer and dryer. Little extra pantry space. And your own private hot water heater. Now we're going to go through and take a look at the bedroom. Very nice large bedroom, big enough for a full or queen size bed. You do have a nice window inside the bedroom and a walk-in closet here. Through the bedroom, you do have your own bathroom that has a door coming from the bedroom, as well as a door leading out back into the kitchen area. Bathroom comes with a medicine cabinet and plenty of storage underneath the sink. One thing that makes Fairlane Meadow very unique are our indented shut towers. One thing that makes Fairlane Meadow unique are our indented bathroom tub shower walls. If you're interested, please give us a call at 313-336-5995 or visit www.fairlanemeadow.com. Online applications can be submitted and are usually approved within 72 hours. Thank you all and have a wonderful day.